Are you happy in your life right now? And if not, why is that? Let me guess. You're waiting for an ideal job, an ideal relationship, an ideal home, or even an ideal car to feel happy. But what if I tell you, even after you get some of those things, you not actually feel happy? This is called the happiness paradox. In essence, the paradox of happiness states that if you strive for happiness by direct means, you end up being less happy than if you would forget about happiness and focus on other goals. So the gist of the statement remains the same, that if you focus too much on happiness, you won't actually get it. And hence you should stop chasing happiness and start looking for happiness in all the things that you do. Because no matter what you do in life, you're constantly evolving. Your priorities change with time, your goals change with time, and so does your aspirations. So the goal you made actually a year back would not make sense to you once you get it right now, because you have evolved to become a very different person, and the things that you thought would make you happy right now would not actually make you happy, because that was the goal you pursued 1 year back. And hence, now that you have changed, the definition of your happiness, the definition of your accomplishment would change with that as well. And hence, it's very much important for us to be aware of that ever changing self. And once we are aware of the ever changing self, you would be able to understand that happiness actually lies in this particular moment. Happiness lies in the things that we do rather than chasing out for certain things. Consider this for an example. When we were kids, we always fascinated being an adult, being able to make our own decisions, being able to earn money, spend it based on our needs and wants. And yet now that we have grown up, we can't really find that level of comfort and satisfaction. And why is that? Because we focus too much on what we need to achieve in order to be happy rather than focusing on what we need to do today in order to be happy. And hence that difference between future and present is what makes us always chase that particular idea of happiness and not even get it after all. Because we're always trying to chase that particular amount of happiness, and happiness, like everything else, is just like placed on horizon. And you're always going to believe that I'm going to get closer to the horizon every time I walk closer to it. But the moment you get closer to that particular idea of horizon, the horizon actually moves forward as well. So that's the same with happiness as well. When you're always looking forward to chase happiness and looking forward to find and get something in order to be happy, you're basically defining and limiting your idea of happiness, and hence you cannot actually ever get that. And it doesn't really mean that you let go of all your aspirations, all your goals, and all your accomplishments because you know that nothing will ever make you happy. It just means that you start enjoying the small habits, the small efforts, the small changes that you make while achieving your goal. And this is when you would feel the most accomplished and most peaceful about your life, because you would be able to focus on small efforts and small changes that you could see in yourself. Because what you were 5 years back is not the same person you are right now. You have grown, you have evolved. And those small changes, if you're able to understand that, if you're able to accomplish that, and if you're able to witness that in your own life, you'd be able to see that I'm growing every day in my life. And those small things would be much more than enough to be able to make you happy, to be able to make you accomplished in your life as well. And in true sense, this is what happiness really feels like, to be able to live every moment of your life and to be able to embrace every particular moment. And with this form of happiness, you're not really chasing the idea of happiness, you're merely living it. Because the more you chase, the more you would believe that you have very less of it. So stop chasing and stand still for a moment. Look around all the beautiful things that you have. Look around and see how far you have come. Look around and see how many amazing things you are surrounded with. Look around and be grateful for your family, for your friends, and all the things you've accomplished till now. And those things would actually help you become much more happier, much more peaceful, and much more accomplished about your life as well. So these are the things you must actually focus on in order to become happy. And let's not fall for the happiness paradox, because the moment you start chasing the idea of happiness, that idea of happiness will start running away from you as well. But if you stand still and if you be aware of everything that is happening with you, happiness would still lie with you as well. So this is what you need to do. You just need to be aware. You just need to be aware of who you really are as a person, aware of every small efforts that you make, aware of every small blessings that you have. And this is what happiness is in its truest form. So that's all about today. So let me know in the comment section down below on what are the small things that actually make you happy in day-to-day life. And if you like this video, do like, comment and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.